For today's 5-minute mobility, we're going to work on opening the hips and ankle inversion. We're going to work on rolling, pushing the hips out, nice and deep. Very good. Every repetition, you're going to focus on the ankles turning and the knees pushing out. Very good. Getting as wide as you can on every rep. Lean forward a little bit if you can. You want a little bit of pressure on the ankles, and then we're going to roll them out. Circle motions, both directions. Very good. And we're going to switch legs and roll the ankles, circular motion, and change direction. Very nice. Alright, go ahead and pull them in. And we're going to move into some Tibia raises. So you're going to calf raise and lift the toes. Calf raise, lift the toes. We're going to work this rolling motion of lifting your toes as high as you can and planting. Very good. Now we're going to cross our leg and we're going to manually roll the ankle. Explore the motion in a circular motion. Again, don't force anything. You don't want it to hurt. We're just waking up those ankles. Very good. Nice circle motions, nice and smooth. Very good. We're going to switch legs, cross over, and manually roll the ankles. Nice big circles. Very good. Getting all the kinks out of our ankles. All right. Very good. And we're going to go back into our seated position. And we're going to work the depth of our hips and ankles. We do have a modifier at the top, but the goal is still the same. You want to focus on depth. Very good. Now on the first one, you're using your arms as leverage to get as deep in the hips as you can. The modifier, you're leaning forward and pressing your knees open and sinking into your hips. We got a couple more reps, nice and deep. One more, press down and hold and up. Very good. Back in the seated position, we're going to work on those tibia raises, pressing through the heel, lifting your butt off the chair, and focusing on really engaging the front muscles of your shin bone. Driving up, push through the heels. And if you're unable to lift your butt out the chair, it's perfectly fine. Just want to focus on dorsiflexion, which is raising the toes as high as you can. Very good. We're going to go into seated calf raises. And for this one, I'm leaning in and I'm providing a little bit of resistance above my knee. There we go. Tiptoeing up as high as we can, really engaging the calves. Very good. Press up and down. You want to go for a nice burning of the calf muscle. Very nice. Back in the tibia raises. Drive through the heel. So it's the opposite of a calf raise. We're pressing through the heel. Toes lift up as high as they can on every rep. Very good. Back into calf raises, pressing up and up and up. Keep a tempo. Don't let your heels rest on the ground. As soon as they touch, you drive back up. Very good. It's going to burn a little bit. It's perfectly fine. We're just engaging those muscles. Very good. Shake it out. Very good. Extend the leg. Focus on knee flexion. Getting the blood flow back through the legs, alternating your legs. We're doing our cool down. Lean forward and straighten the knees. We're working on knee extension to finish up. It's going to help open the hamstrings. So I'm just straightening my knees, trying to push my hips back, holding on to the back of my legs for leverage. Very good. Press and extend. Press and extend. 2 more and extend. 1 more and extend. Good job.